right, we're getting ready to install the media area surround. This is what the part looks like. The kit does come with covers for the auxiliary and the media flip up. So those will come automatically with it. However, you can choose not to use those. So this is going to be an install of just the outside surround. So first you're going to wipe off the area with rubbing alcohol to get it nice and clean and get rid of any dust and debris. Then next we're going to apply some adhesion promoter, which will help get the area just a little stickier, so it'll really bond well with the double-sided tape. I'm just going to rub that all over the surface area. If you don't have, we try to send little packets of it, but if you don't have any, they do sell cans of adhesion promoter at the automotive store. You just want to make sure you apply it on a rag. Don't spray it directly on the surface because it is very sticky and it can leave a sticky film on places that you might not want it to. Okay, so once you're ready to apply it, you're just going to peel the double-sided tape covers off of the back of the piece. All right, so once you have all of the tape covering off, you can get ready to put it on. And this one's a little tricky because it goes behind the shifter knobs. It's very sticky once you have the tape. Yep. So you want to try to get it as much as possible in the right spot before you put too much pressure on it. You can peel it, pull it off and recenter, move it where you need it, but it does get a little harder to do once you've had that glue start hitting the adhesion promoter. And then you just want to apply some pressure to all the spots.